Hello M2 and welcome to our learning video for Unit 2, Entertainment. Before we begin, please let me tell you that you have to copy all sheets with the little red dot in the corner into your notebook. But don't worry, there are not many. One more advice. It's better if you watch this video from a laptop or computer screen. Your telephone is a bit too small for this kind of work. So then, let's begin with a short review. Our topic is entertainment, and the definition for entertainment is: entertainment is some sort of activity, diversion, or experience you have in your free time and or during studies or work that can cheer you up, amuse you, or make you happy. I already gave you a homework about collecting 10 things you find entertaining and 10 things you think are not entertaining for you. With this out of the way, let's continue. Today we talk about genres. What on earth are genres? It's very easy. A genre means it's a type of movie, music, or writing. And here are some examples. Tone likes certain types of movies, which Kif doesn't like. That's because they are different genres. Tone likes to watch John Wick, which is, by the way, not a movie children should watch. Kif, on the other hand, likes to watch Sailor Moon, which I also do not really recommend. But you can already see what we are talking about. They don't belong to the same genre. They are not the same type of shows. Let's have a look at different movie and book genres. Number 1, action. Many people like the action genre, and here you can see an example for an action movie. The Fast and the Furious, which I also don't recommend. Not because it's not suitable for children, but because it's just a bad movie franchise. Number 2, fantasy. Harry Potter, The Lord of the Rings, Narnia, all these you can find in the fantasy genre. Number 3, comedy. When it makes you laugh, it's comedy. Well, at least I hope so. Number 4, romance. When it makes you cry, it's either bad grades or it's a romantic movie. Number 5, drama. I don't need to explain that to the girls, but for the boys, well, you can ask the girls. Number 6, science fiction, aka sci-fi or sci-fi or sci-fi. Laser guns, rockets, and aliens. And no, Star Wars and Star Trek are not the same thing. Number 7, animation and cartoons. Toy Story, Shrek, which is, by the way, a very good movie, Barbie, Mickey Mouse, and Doraemon. Number 8, horror. Number 9, thrillers. Everything that's tense and keeps you at the edge of your seat, that's most likely a thriller. Number 10, adventure. Pirates of the Caribbean, Indiana Jones, Jumanji, and The Mummy, for example. Those are only a few examples for movies, but don't forget that it also works for book genres. Now let's talk about different music genres. We start with pop, and now we can divide pop music into sub-genres. A subgenre is like a special type within a genre. For example, there is pop rock, electro pop, K-pop, J-pop, T-pop, F-pop, and many more. Number 2, rock. There we can find subgenres like heavy metal, hard rock, indie rock, and others. Number 3, hip-hop. Subgenres are breakbeat, old school, Christian hip-hop, and no, that's not my name, by the way. Number 4, rap. Rap and hip-hop are not the same. Number 5, electronic dance music. There's dark, funk, wave, disco, house, and that terrible noise you always hear in the bus when we go on a trip. Number 6, there's jazz, and there are also sub-genres, but I think you understood what it means, and I don't add any more examples. Number 7, blues. Number 8, classical music. Number 9, folk and country songs. Well, that was a lot.
But it's enough!
Yes, and we end our first lesson here. There is no homework yet because we will continue Unit 2 in the classroom next week. Thank you for watching. Share it with your friends and see you next week in the classroom.
Klíčavíce z Krišta, se marad